Good. Today we're looking at shaft walls. Great example of a shaft wall here. I want you to see how they shot it and supported it at your brakes. This material cannot exceed 24 inches in span. So every seam, I want you to see here where the seam's supported, fully supported on their seams. Tracks are shot in. They have a clip here, so that's good. What we want to check though on this kind of stuff is, in this it fits in the channel, so it's supported on itself. But here on these unsupported edges, you need to have these clips, or you need a screw, not to exceed 12 inches on center. So here on this whole seam, I want you to see where they don't have any supporting screws and where that will flap. And so that's what we're looking for with these shaft walls, is that it's clipped and shot. So where they added the screws there, they really don't need to do that because it's supported 12 inches on edge on this side between with these factory tabs. So they really don't need to add those screws. But on this side they do, 12 inches on center per manufacturer.